Gang, what's down, man? It's a random checking in. Y'all see we back on the mind of the day. Gonna do a little front upgrade on the Gbody. We went and snatched them out the yard yesterday. I'ma lay them like that. Y'all see the pads pretty good. Ain't nothing wrong with the rotors. They're a little rusty. They'll get knocked off once we put the car on the road. So y'all comment, subscribe. Probably throw the hood on back there too as well. You got T-Bone, Young Lone in the building. You want to holler at him?
What's y'all?
You hear me? Cooler. So y'all tune in, gang. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. You might throw this back bump on too as well. So let's get it. Y'all tune in.
Now sit it right there so we can just make sure it's maintained. You gonna fall? Yeah. You do what you like.
Get that battery out there light if you do.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good. Put up the knee. Y'all see we got that nut off that thing. You see that brake fluid coming out of there? Right? Got our ball joint out of him. Screw them back in place. Crucial. Alright, while he's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my sway bar link loose from our lower control arm. Y'all see what he's doing? He's digging that pin from out of there. I'm gonna do that on the lower and the upper, and we ought to be ready to knock him loose, guys. Got his ass off for them. That's a little trick for that, gang.
So
Now we gotta get this bottom, get this upper one off of them. Where that flashlight at? Grab me that flashlight. No, bitch, you do it. Pull it back. Yep. There you go. Alright, gang, y'all see we got that oven cleaner soaking on this lower control arm. Shout out Cat Loco, he put me on that oven cleaner. First time using it, some pretty good stuff here. Y'all go ahead and try it out. Now this here, just a little engine degreaser. It works pretty good too. So I spread that on there and let that sit in there and marinate with that oven cleaner as well. All right, gang, this after we pulled everything off, cleaned it up. Check out the paint though, look, wet. Come back around here, the passenger side, bow. Got him knocked out too. Fresh cleaned up, painted. Trunk on the car. I don't know if I'm gonna show you that bumper, but the bump on there too. Look at yourself in the mirror. You see? Let's get it. Y'all see what we got here, gang? We're gonna do the old-fashioned hanger trick. Only problem that I see here, guys, is that this stock upper control arm is hitting. It's hitting the top of the spindle, you see. But shout out to Willie Rebuilds. He gave me the inside scope on that. So y'all stay tuned. Go ahead, smash that like button. Y'all enjoy? Go ahead and leave me a comment, like, share, subscribe. Yes, Lord. Alright, gang, so I can't fit a washer and a lock nut on both sides, so I'm gonna eliminate our washers and try to just put that lock nut on them. Right, so I just got a lock washer I got my nut right here, guys. Alright, YouTube, Mr. Random checking in, gang. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and leave me a comment, like, subscribe. We gonna holler at y'all later. Yeah, Mr. Random.